So in the last couple of days I installed Bulkhead 6 and 4. Unfortunately I stored them improperly, so they actually warped a little bit while I've been waiting. So I had to clamp them with these boards in order to straighten them out while they were drying. Today I'm going to just install 2 more bulkheads. I'll do 3 and 7, and then I'll explain a little bit why I need bulkheads in the first place. So just a word real quick on why I'm installing these bulkheads in the first place. One reason is obvious. They add some strength to the hull from the side against impacts, that kind of thing. Another reason is a little less obvious, and it's to prevent something called racking. Naval architects have their own words for just about everything. So racking simply just means a twist in the boat from end to end. So I'm going to ask you to pretend that this coke box is in fact a boat. And when the boat twists like this, you can see that the 2 long walls sort of shift in relative to position with one another. They also actually get closer together in the middle. So if you can put a bulkhead in that keeps everything spaced properly, it greatly lessens the ability of the boat to twist like this. So to prove it to you, I took this video back before the bulkheads were installed. Actually, this was taken right after I had fiberglassed the sides of the hull. And you can see that as I move along it and give it a shake, the whole boat twists and the sides kind of flop around a little bit. And with that in mind, you can now compare that to the way the boat looks now. So clearly, it's much stronger. I guess there's really no reason not to install 2 more bulkheads since I waited for this stuff to dry, so I'll go ahead and put in number 2 and number 8 right back here. By now, I'm sure you have a handle on how these bulkheads get installed, so I'll save you the trouble of watching the rest of the video and just finish it up on my own. Actually, that's a lie. I accidentally deleted the rest of these videos, so we don't have a lot of choice. Anyway, I'm getting pretty close to done with the lower section of the hull here, so I think maybe this week or the next I'm going to transition briefly to the propulsion system, start work on the gearbox, and then after that we'll be putting a cap on the hull and fiberglassing the outside.